Honey is the star of this cooking segment with Marisa Mariella, the star of the new film Be My Love. Ann Pirvu also joins us. You guys know each other.
Oh, I love her.
I think we've known each other all our lives. At least that's what it feels
Absolutely.
like.
It's the European thing.
Okay, so we're cooking with honey.
Yes, well, Be My Love inspired me to, find some wonderful recipes using honey. So we're going to do sweet and savory.
Okay.
We're going to put you all to work.
Okay,
So
right.
I have here, we're going to do like little protein bars, some oats, chia seeds, egg white powder, which is a lovely, clean protein, and then pumpkin seeds. So you can figure out how you're going to put that in there. We were talking about how we're going to do that.
Very
And then Ann, we've got some dates. You're going to just rip them apart.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Pull out the pit in there, and you can also put it in there.
We just need the one?
So it goes in here?
Yeah, we can actually put, perfect. We can actually put all that in.
I think this worked.
Messes
beautiful.
happen. Look at that. It's good. We're gonna, oh my gosh, I can feel it. We're gonna add that in there.
All of it?
Yes, all of it.
Okay.
And then we're going to add some honey. So this is humble bee honey.
Beautiful.
I love using local, right? So this is local honey. So a really good.
Oh, it looks so good.
big
Wow.
tablespoon. We're going to
Glistens.
pretend we did that. You're going to give that a whiz, and you're going to create these beautiful little balls. And I've got coconut. You can just use your fingers and toss it around in there.
And what's this? Is this
That
cinnamon?
one is cinnamon, yes.
Ooh.
And I've got some here on the plate.
Look at the
Don't they
cute
look like
little coconut
Timbits?
balls. Oh, I
know.
love them.
Perfect.
They're so soft.
Perfect. Let's move on to the next one. We've got some scones, because I think there's talk about scones in the movie, maybe just a little bit.
Yeah,
Just
do you
a
feel
little.
like you know how to make all this stuff?
So I've
Not
got
like
here
Marisa.
a little sugar, a little salt, and some baking powder. You're going to give that a little sift. You can just
Beautiful.
shake that
Oh, yeah.
up. More powder.
Shake, shake, dun, 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 shake, shake, shake. Shake.
Maybe that should be the theme, right? Okay, perfect.
Stunning. All
so
right.
we've got some, I'm going to just,
put this over here.
there we go. We've got some cold butter. So we're going to pretend, okay, because we're not going to get our fingers dirty, but you're going to give this a really good working.
Squeeze.
Yeah.
Yes, kind of like pie.
Yeah, that really helps with your heat of your hands, right?
Yes,
Helps break it up.
right. And I've got some milk and an egg in there and honey. I'm going to move this to the side. I want to show you the batter. Look at this.
Ooh, through the magic of
Wow. So it's all crumbly. Look how
Okay.
soft that is.
And do you have lemon in there? Is
I
that what I
did.
see?
I added
Yeah.
some lemon zest. Good eye.
Wow, that
so
is
I've just
very good
patted
eye.
it down, and maybe one of you, maybe Ann, you can do this. We're going to cut little triangles. Use your
Gotcha.
muscles in there. Perfect.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, it's a parallelogram, but that's okay. We can.
I can make them smaller.
Oh,
I
you
can
know
make them
what?
smaller.
That's good. That's a
those are
great
good.
shape. Look.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Good recovery.
There we go.
And then maybe you could, Annette, brush it with a little bit
Okay.
of whipping cream. You can use egg white, and then you can sprinkle some sugar.
Oh, I love
Okay.
brown
Katie in
sugar.
the control room
I'm
is
gonna
telling me we
move
have
you.
90 seconds
Okay, I'm
left.
going to move
Oh, yeah.
you over, because I want to show you the finished product right over here. So they came out of the oven. We glazed them with a little
made
bit
those.
more.
Oh, I'm so
A
good.
little bit of icing sugar. We have some lemon, honey butter here that you can spread. Okay, really fast.
Stunning.
We have to talk about the spare ribs.
Ribs.
Honey, I think that I got inspired by the movie. So we boiled the ribs. The big controversy, do you boil, not boil? I always boil.
I love
Okay.
that.
Okay, then I marinate a little bit of soy sauce, a little sugar vinegar, fry them off, and then lots of honey in the oven with garlic.
Right on it,
Look
right?
what you
Just
have
spread
here.
right on. Oh.
Look how pretty these look. Can you imagine serving these? Maybe you can sprinkle some
Oh
onion
my
on that.
goodness, absolutely.
Yeah, and in
Let's
the
do
meantime,
that.
I'm going to show you. You can even take some hot honey, again, a local product. We have some gorgonzola cheese here from Prince Edward Island.
Okay.
We have some sausage with honey and garlic, pizza with honey. Look
Oh,
at
so
that.
good. Okay, and
Oh,
we've
look
got
at that.
about
want it
20
all.
seconds left, Marisa.
Did
Where
we
can
do it?
people find all these recipes?
Okay, so on my website, my social media, and Ann actually is a guest on my show, so
There we go.
we'll do some more recipes
Okay,
there.
we'll get all those links up on our website at chch.com/morninglive. This is awesome.
Thank you. I can't wait to
so
dive in.
much.
Oh, we will.
Thank you so
We
much.
will.